My baby health condition was becoming worse each day that comes and go, most especially at night. Not me nor my husband would sleep. So my husband said to me, babe, you will take Ese to Obongoro Health Center for proper checkup. Let's know what the problem of his health is all about. I said okay. Oh. I was so tired from last night's stress because I didn't get enough sleep now throughout the night. So while preparing the kids for school, I was so tired and very sluggish in doing that. When the kid left for the school, I said let me prepare some rice and keep for them to eat when they will be back from school. They will be able to get something to eat when they come back from school. On doing that, my baby became restless again all of a sudden. Someone that was just playing around now. I touched his body and his temperature was very high. He got fever again. I just left everything I was doing. At that point, rushed into the bathroom, took my bath and hurried down to the hospital. I didn't go to Obonguru again because there was a change of plan later.
It's numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples, 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 apples. 1 banana, 2 bananas, 3 bananas, 4 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bananas, bananas. A, B, C, D.
Finally, we got to the hospital and I went straight to the doctor's office. When I met the doctor and after several explanations, he took some blood sample and his urine. Finally, the test result was out and this was it. The doctor said that he has the highest typhoid he has ever seen, which was 1/320, accumulated with cold and fever. So this is what my son has been battling with and we don't know. And we've took him to the hospital before. Yet the doctor sees nothing about it. He didn't run him a test. How will he know? Finally, they gave him drip for 2 days and some malaria injection and some also malaria drugs. Yeah, he was given drip for 2 days, injection for 5 days, and was given some malaria syrup to take home and complete his treatment. So that was after it. The drip and injection. Wow, my baby slept peacefully again in a long time. Hey God.
Your face and do the goody dance, put a smile on your face and do the goody dance, smile on your face and do the goody dance.
You make me